everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make this beautiful woven wave pattern. Let's get started. Go ahead and hold your two ropes together and attach them in one bundle to your dowel rod with a lark's head knot. To start, I'm going to take the cord on the far left and send it behind the two cords in the middle and over the cord on the far right. Now I'm going to take the far right cord and cross it in front of the two cords in the middle. And I'm just going to gently pull that tight. Now I'm going to start on the right side and take that now on the right cord, cross it behind the two in the middle, and over the cord on the far left. The cord on the far left is going to come in front of my two cords in the middle. And I just pull that tight and slide it up. And we're just repeating these steps, weaving our ropes. The same cord is always going to go underneath. So now it's on the left and it's going to go under those two cords and over the one on the right. My right cord is going to go in front of the two cords in the middle. We pull that nice and tight and slide it up. Now the cord on the right is going to go underneath the two in the middle and over the cord on the left. The left cord goes over the two in the middle, and then we pull it tight and slide it up if needed. We're going to continue this process until this little knotted design is half the length of our desired project. So if you want to make a 6-inch keychain, tie this until you reach 3 inches. Once you have reached the desired length, we're going to tie this off with a half square knot. So I'm going to take the side here that's crossed over my two ropes in the middle. I'm just going to twist it back around over so that I have a loop here on the left. And then I'm going to take the right string over that left, send it behind the two in the middle to go up through the loop. And I just pull it tight, and you want to pull this nice and snug. Okay, it will look like a full square knot once you tie it. Now comes the fun part of this pattern. I'm just going to grab that square knot and I'm going to pull it down. And this is going to stretch out our knot and give us a really cool wave design. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you have pulled it and stretched it to the desired length. This is the square knot down at the bottom. It's just this really pretty wave design. So you guys can use this for all kinds of fun projects, whether that's a plant hanger or layers and wall hangings, a keychain, a bracelet, a necklace, anything you could desire, you can use this pattern for. It's very simple to make once you find your rhythm. You are just weaving over and under the whole time and then stretching it out for a fun finish. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.